Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to slide a Chrysler 300 V6. First, prioritize safety by choosing a vast, empty, and secure location, such as a dedicated closed course. Before attempting any maneuvers, confirm your vehicle is in top mechanical shape, especially tires and brakes. Familiarize yourself with how your car's weight shifts and its traction capabilities. This knowledge is crucial for maintaining control. To begin a controlled slide, approach your chosen turn at a moderate, manageable speed. As you enter the corner, execute a quick, decisive turn of the steering wheel. Immediately after, give the accelerator a brief, firm press. This action helps to momentarily overcome the rear tire's grip, initiating the desired oversteer. Remember, the goal is a controlled slide, not an uncontrolled spin. Once the slide begins, swift countersteering is essential. Turn the steering wheel quickly in the direction the rear of the car is sliding to balance the vehicle. Use the throttle to fine-tune the slide's angle and speed. A lighter foot will reduce the slide, while more power will extend it. Always keep your eyes focused on your intended exit point, guiding the car through the maneuver. To smoothly exit the slide, gradually ease off the accelerator while simultaneously unwinding the countersteer. This allows the rear tires to gently regain traction, bringing the car back into a straight line as you accelerate out of the turn. Practice makes perfect for a seamless recovery. Also, for an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.